The concept of plant harmony life emerged in the early 20th century, when scientific understanding of plant biology and environmental interactions began to advance rapidly. Prior to this period, humans viewed plants primarily as resources for food, medicine, and raw materials, without fully understanding their ecological roles. Key developments in plant science, such as the discovery of photosynthesis in the 17th century and the study of plant hormones in the 19th century, laid the groundwork for understanding plants as vital components of ecosystems. In the mid-20th century, the environmental movement and concerns about biodiversity led to the establishment of conservation programs and the recognition of the interconnectedness of all living organisms. By the late 1980s, the term plant harmony life began to be used more frequently in discussions of sustainable agriculture, urban green spaces, and climate change mitigation strategies. Major turning points include the signing of the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity in 1992 and the implementation of the Paris Agreement in 2015. Evidence-based projections suggest that by 2050, 30% of global urban areas will have integrated vertical gardens and green roofs, and urban planners will prioritize native plant species in their designs to promote biodiversity and improve air quality. In terms of agriculture, the adoption of permaculture techniques and the integration of crop rotations with cover crops will contribute to soil health and resilience. However, challenges such as climate change and the need for high-tech solutions like AI-driven precision agriculture will continue to shape the future of plant harmony life. Efforts to optimize this concept should include further research into plant-pollinator interactions and the integration of urban agriculture projects with existing green spaces.